continue. We're going to continue with question 9a. The second part of that particular question. Let's just have a look. Okay, yeah. So functions that we're going to look at is PMT. So they want us to fill in or put in the information before we do the particular calculation. So I'm just going to do that. Okay, we have information. So now we can start. Okay, so now we can start. So they say do the following questions in say 11M below in C2 of Metro Training. Copy CLS83 and I4 in C2 back to CLP16, say 17 on C1. So that you will do afterwards. So they say use the correct function to calculate the monthly payments of the notebook. So the formula that we are used to calculate the monthly payment is PMT. Just gonna put it there. So the PMT functions is derived with the rate, period, then the present value, the price. But then remember, this rate is annual, so it needs to be divided. So let's just select the rate divided by 12 to give you your rate per month. And then we're going to look for the period. The period is 6. Can you see that? 6 years. Now we need to multiply this by 12 because we want the amount, the total months that we are going to pay. And lastly, the present value, which we are going to have, the price. To get a positive um, sum, you're going to place the minus in front. Then we're going to say okay. And that is our monthly payment on our on this price. So what is our annual payment? So here we need to do a normal calculation. As it's saying, okay, use the correct formula, not the function, to calculate the annual payment. Ne? So we need to take the monthly payments, multiply by 12 to determine how much we're going to pay per year. Okay, so now we have the total annual payments. Now we need to determine the total amount that we are going to pay over the period of 6 years. So we take the annual amount, multiply the 6 years. Okay, so there we have a total 26,498 rand, 88 cents. Lastly, we need to determine the total interest that we paid. So we take equal sign, take the total amount, and then we take the total amount that we have received to see what is the interest on this particular amount. So there you can see our calculation for PMT. You can always rewatch this video just to familiarize yourself with the steps. But this is the PMT functions to determine your monthly payment of the loan or the amount that you have received. This must be in a rand. Yeah.